Oh God, guys, pray for me that I survive this. Live from Koh Samui, guys. It is pretty insane, guys. Like insane. Also, I'm wearing some funky glasses, I know, but everybody's kind of wearing it here. This is a great party, guys. I don't know if you can see that. See this? Now you guys can see that. That's insane. Okay, I think it's about 20 minutes more left for New Year's to happen, guys. Hello, New Year's. This girl behind me is like, what the heck is she doing? But this is pretty awesome, guys. Okay, I'll talk to you at 12 again. Bye.
2017 is going to be a happy one, believe.
Happy New Year to all my Ricksters! Happy New Year to all of you Ricksters! It's the 1st of January here in Koh Samui and I'm in one of like the coolest hotels ever, which is called the W Hotel. And many of you maybe have seen it, but check this out in the back. How awesome are these little lounge sofas in the water? And even so, this is the hotel from here. But if you can see, the view is like that. There are people taking selfies, of course. They're just sneaking then how they're taking the selfies. And this is the view in the back, guys. That's pretty awesome, isn't it? So I think this is like the coolest thing I've ever seen in like a very long time. But the only problem is like they charge you a fee, like you have to pay 20,000 Thai baht minimum to just sit in there, which is like, no thank you, I'm not gonna do that. It's almost dark, so you can't see a lot of it yet, but it's still pretty amazing to see it. Okay, there are people waiting to take pictures, so I'm gonna go. But yeah, sorry. Oh, and now I'm gonna ruin a picture. Hold on. Yeah, they were taking a selfie there. Oh wow, okay, wow, that's getting quite intimate, guys. But that's quite fun, guys. And yeah, again, spending 20,000 just to sit there for like a drink. No, I can't do that. That's just nice to look at, take pictures, and then you just move on at the end of the day. But this is kind of the hotel. You see it over there. So there's like some nice paintings over there, and people sitting there. Sorry guys, again it's very pixelated because they're getting dark, but I'm trying to do my best, guys, to show you this in whatever time I have left. But yes, guys, this is how I spent my first January in New Year and 2017, guys. It's a new year. It's very exciting. A lot of stuff is gonna happen, and I'm so super happy and excited of what else is gonna come our way, guys. How big the channel is gonna grow, how many more Ricksters are gonna come in, guys. This new year is gonna be just super awesome-matic, and I just cannot wait. I think I might die, guys. I think this is the last time you're gonna see me vlog. This has waves I've never seen in my life. It's like almost, we're jumping like mad in this thing, guys. Oh God, the rain. There's so much rain coming, guys. Oh God. This is so bad, guys. Okay, so people wanted to go on a snorkeling trip today. That snorkeling trip did not happen. It ended up in a crazy waterfall rain. Oh God, this is so scary, guys. Ah! There's too much rain. Do you see this? You see the rain coming? We can't, I don't even know how the captain is driving this ship, but it's unreal. Oh, wow. Do you see? Do you see? Oh God, guys, pray for me that I survive this. Wow! Oh my God! Oh guys, help! I hope I end up safe. Oh my God, guys, it's not really. I have no words to say, guys. I think I'm just gonna go on for another hour like this. So pray for me, guys. I'll keep you updated. Bye. Okay guys, update. And 20 minutes later, we're still in this mess. Oh God. I've never seen anything like this, guys. Like, you can't even see it, but I really am trying hard to hold the camera straight. And it's so much rain coming out from the front and you can't even see it. I'm almost dying. It's insane. Oh God. They as a company should have not taken us on this snorkeling trip, because this is not snorkeling. This is almost dying. This is like living on the edge, guys, right now. And I'm living on the edge. If you guys could see those waves, like they're taller than me. Like they're just insane. And it's not, I feel like I'm in Titanic, guys, where we're just about to collide with the iceberg. And I need a Jack now. Where is Jack? Help me. Alright, I'll check in later with you guys. Hopefully I'll survive it this time. Oh God. Alright, oh my. So guys, we just found out that a trip which is supposed to be 10 minutes, it's actually gonna take us an hour to get back because we're just going much slower because of these crazy waves. Oh my God. So guys, it is quite an insane, like I don't know, you see the people there have an umbrella on them because there's so much rain. Like I don't know if you see these covered up people and you see me, I don't even know why I'm vlogging, guys, but I just felt like you guys need to see this. And guys, the worst part is I just washed my hair, so it's even worse. Oh God, help me. So 1 hour. Oh God, 1 hour. I just came off the boat after 1.5 hours. This is the boat, guys. I know it was sounding funny while I was in it, but after 1.5 hours, this has really been a torture. And oh my God, it's like one of the worst nightmares I've ever had. I puked, I almost fainted. It was just a terrible, terrible experience. And these guys, whoever was running this Lom Lak boat, I don't know, Lom Lak is the company, I don't know. They should have known not to take us on this ride. This was literally, I'm still shivering. 1.5 hours of just torture with them. So guys, I'm just saying, the thing is, somebody could have died. I could have died on this trip. It was literally the most insanest thing anybody can go through. And there's no insurance. If I would have gotten lost, like you would have never heard back from me, guys. It was just so bad. So if you come to Koh Samui, guys, do not go with Lom Lak company. It is a terrible thing, and they're not even willing to refund us because they're saying that yeah, they cannot control the weather. But hey, if you are this business, you know that how the weather is supposed to be, at least the forecast, right? You should have not taken so many people. It is just, sorry, the light is going off, guys. I'm still like breathing, and I still can't believe this happened. And I'm happy I'm safe. I'm happy we all are safe, but this should have not happened. And oh my God, I'm glad I'm alive, and I'm gonna talk to these guys now and see what they're gonna do. So guys, this is the company, just so you see, Lom Praya High Speed Catamaran. Terrible, guys. Do not ever go with these guys. I spoke to that lady and said give us some refund. He's like, oh no, we cannot. I'm like, yeah, whatever, cannot. Anyways, guys, please, at least you guys whoever see this video, if you guys plan to come to Koh Samui, do not work with Lom Lak, whatever, Lom Lak, I don't care. It was almost died. Lom killed me. Alright guys, so I'm at the airport leaving for Mumbai, and as you can hear and see, I'm not feeling very good. I have a terrible fever. My throat is done. My nose is all stuffy. So yeah, that ship trip, that ferry ride really killed it. We didn't get a refund, nothing, but I got some sickness, so that really sucks. Anyways guys, I hope you enjoyed this video, even though it was scary at some points, but please smash the like button right now if you liked it, and subscribe to my channel. That would mean so much. I even got sick now. I'd be so happy if you could subscribe, guys. So I shall see you very soon again, sending you all a big love punch your way. Bye.